guys, and welcome back to Kids Cook and Craft. I know that the school year has just started and we're ready to do some new science, so stay tuned in this series of science experiments. Let's get started! Today's experiment is a rainbow rain experiment, which is part of our science experiment series. If you haven't checked out the previous video, the colorful paper towel experiment, which is in the description box below. Start by looking through your kitchen for oil, food coloring, and water. That's all you need for this experiment. I used olive oil because I think that works the best, but you can really use whatever type of oil you have in your kitchen, like vegetable oil, mustard oil, or whatever oil you have. So you're gonna start by dropping the food coloring into your oil and then mixing until you can see really, really tiny droplets. Then grab a glass of water and pour your oil into the water. And that's all. Watch your rainbow rain experiment happen right before your eyes. Enjoy! Then sit back, relax, and enjoy the rain. Isn't it beautiful? Mine came out really nice. Just make sure to not use too many dark colors, otherwise it's gonna become a dark rain unless you like dark colors. Wow, beautiful. Please like, share, and subscribe to Kids Cook and Craft.